This is a video of something I'm working on in the house. This is an outlet for a sump pump. This is kind of a stupid wood board. I'm going to run the wire down to that box there on the wall. Anyway, the reason I started this silly project was the GFCI outlet. When you push the test button, it wouldn't work. Anyway, when I was getting the new one ready, I saw the label on it. There was a warning label, a bunch of things, and it was over the load side. So the GFCI will not work if the wire or power supply was on the load side instead of the input side. That got me thinking maybe this was the case, and this is off, but which is wearing a work glove anyway. I'm hoping I can get some better light, but as you can see, line on the bottom, nothing on it. On the top it says load, and this goes up over here to a junction box, and that's where the power comes from. There's nothing else on this supplying this, so they wired it backwards, and that's why it doesn't work. I got a new one in, so I'm just gonna replace it because I don't know if this one works or how old it is. Figure I can always use it in a project later, some small workbench thing or something, but I just want to get this done. I don't really want to deal with an old one. I don't know if it works in this application, so I'm gonna run a wire and then put that in, new one in, just so I make that video of what I found and stupid mistake I found.